Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Blanca with Creativities Galore, and today we will be making this faux acrylic sheet with a wood stand. Let's get started. I'm going to start off by mixing some brown acrylic paint with a little bit of water. I'm going to use this instead of a wood stain, but the end result, in my opinion, still looks like a stain. Now we're gonna get these Jenga pieces, or tower wood pieces. I bought these at Dollar Tree, and they work for so many different crafts. They are really an awesome product. So here I am just adding that acrylic paint and water mixture, and then I will use a dry napkin to wipe off the excess. Then I'm gonna just set them to the side so they can completely dry off. Now I'm just going to run a laminating sheet through my laminating machine, and this is how it will look, and this is what is going to be that faux acrylic. Just using my paper trimmer to cut them down to the size that I wanted. Now I'm measuring out how many of those tower wood pieces I'm going to need. I end up just using 2. I hot glue those together. I did 2 sets like this. And then I just hot glue those to the bottom middle of my faux acrylic sheet. And then I will do the same to the back side. I am going to show you 2 ways on how to use this faux acrylic sheet and wood stand. They're both very easy. The first one that I'm going to show you is this Easy Cut adhesive, and I'm cutting out hearts with that on my Cricut Joy. And then I will be able to put some foil on top of it. Here I'm taking off those heart pieces that I cut out and placing them on top of my faux acrylic sheet. I'm removing the top piece right here just to show you how it looks. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 more hearts to it. Then I'm going to take some foil sheets. This is from the Laura Kelly line with thermal web. And I'm going to use my scraper to make sure that the foil adheres really good to that adhesive at the bottom. And then you just pull away and reveal. I'm leaving this one just like this. For me, I'm using it as a desk decoration. I just love how it turned out. Next is another super easy one. I just took a mini clothespin and hot glued it to the top, and now it's like a note holder. That's it. You could use these for parties, use them as centerpieces and table numbers at weddings. It's a great craft to do. I hope it inspires you to create your own. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a like. It really helps me out. And make sure to subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy crafting!